Earlier this afternoon, I had a chance to talk to Arizona Senator Martha McSally. Let's start with her response on how concerned she is about the sharp increase in COVID cases in Arizona and the Valley.
The governor and his team have been on this from the very beginning and providing guidance to Arizonans. And this is really a partnership between the government providing information and Arizonans making good decisions, and also companies making decisions in order to safely be able to conduct business and allow people to safely return to work. So I am concerned. The efforts that we've made so far to flatten the curve, we were never going to make this virus go away. We are trying to defeat the virus by finding vaccines and cures, but flatten the curve so we can protect the vulnerable, so we have the ability to ensure that the virus is not going into nursing homes and assisted care facilities, and our hospital capacity is there to support our frontline healthcare heroes, while allowing Arizonans to safely work, to provide for their families. And so we have to do all of the above together, and we still need that level of vigilance until we have the vaccine and cures for all of us to be conducting ourselves in a way that's going to minimize the spread of this virus.
And I think you're right, and I know you have an elderly mother and I have an elderly parent, and we're all concerned about that population. Where do you stand on the idea of mandatory masks for Arizona?
Yeah, that's the governor's decision. He's doing his job. I'm doing my job as a senator. We are in a partnership. We engage with him to say, hey, what else does Arizona need? What can we do at the federal level, to get the PPE out to Arizona, to get the testing capabilities and supply chain that they need? What other policies? I reached out and got 100 extra ventilators back when the Navajo Nation was really struggling.
Do you worry, because most people believe that COVID will resurge in the fall? Do you worry how the election will be impacted by COVID, and how do you feel about a mail-in only model because of the pandemic?
Well, we don't know about this virus. We're learning about its behavior, and all the experts are not really sure how it will behave in the fall. So we will see. We've shown that there are ways for people to be able to, safely conduct business, to include voting in person. Many Arizonans like to vote in person. We have a very robust vote by mail, as you know, that individuals can sign up for, and those decisions are all made at the state level. So we'll see as it approaches.
All right, Senator Martha McSally with us. Thanks so much for your time. Appreciate it.
All right, all the best. Take care.
And you can watch more of my interview with Martha McSally online on 12news.com or the 12 News app.